Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to everyone. So today I'm so excited because we're going to unbox an Apple Watch Series 6 44mm, and here it is. It's in red color. Here's the box. Series 6. Red aluminum case with red sport band, 44mm. Alright. Okay, so let's start unboxing it. There's a pull tab here. Let's pull it out. Just pull this up. There. Fold this. There's two cases here. So this is the watch itself. Just by looking at the picture, this is the sport in red color. So let's take a look at the Let's check the instructions. Paperwork first. Interesting. So it says right here, in partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your Apple Watch purchase to the Global Fund to support HIV/AIDS program and help deliver an AIDS-free generation. Learn more or donate at www.red.com. That's good. Thanks for buying the red color Apple Watch Series 6. You'll be able to help the HIV/AIDS Foundation. So this is the instructions on how to operate your watch. And some safety and handling information. So let's put this all aside. What's inside? this is the power cord. The charging power cord. It's a USB. Alright. This is the sport band in red color as well for 44 millimeter. Let's put it right here. The instructions on how to attach the sport band to the watch. Definitely I'm gonna use the small slash medium size because I have a skinny wrist. Alright, let's take this out, and this one right here. I really like the color. I've never had a red Apple Watch before. Okay, let's go ahead and attach it. Perfect. Nice. Take this out right here. Alright. Let's try it. There you go. I really like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge it first and then pair it on my iPhone later on when it's charged. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Tune in next time for more of unboxing of Apple products. I'll see you guys later. Thanks again. Bye.